Hello everyone. My name is Anita Singh, your science teacher from Shri Rama Bharti Public School. Today, I will explain few topics from the chapter Cell Structure and Function. So, let's start. Now, today we will learn the different structures and their functions. Like all plants and animals, they consist of three basic parts or components: cell membrane, cytoplasm, and nucleus. Now, the cytoplasm and nucleus, they are enclosed within a membrane, which is known as cell membrane and also known as plasma membrane. Protoplasm. Proto means first, plasma means liquid. The living substance of a cell is called protoplasm. And this protoplasm, it includes cytoplasm and the nucleus. So we can also say that the nucleus and cytoplasm together, they are known as protoplasm. Now you can see in the diagram there plant cell and animal cell is given. And the main three differences are: first one, in plant cell, cell wall is present. In animal cell, cell wall is absent. If you will see in plant cell, there is a large vacuole, but in animal cell, the vacuoles are either absent or if they are present, they are very small in size. And the third main difference is the chloroplast, the plastid, the green pigment. Okay, the chloroplast is present in plant cell and absent in animal cell. So these were the main differences between plant cell and animal cell. Now we will go for the first part, that is the cell membrane. Now what is cell membrane? Cell membrane is a thin outer covering of a cell. It is a porous membrane. Now what is a porous membrane? The membrane which is having tiny holes in it is known as porous membrane because it allows the movement of substances both inwards as well as outwards. Cell membrane separates cells from the surrounding medium. In plant cells, there is an additional surrounding. That additional covering layer around the cell membrane is called cell wall. Now, what is cell wall? It is a rigid, non-living substance and called cellulose. Cellulose, the cell wall is made of a rigid, non-living substance called cellulose. So, cell wall is a non-living substance and it provides protection as well as shape and support to the cell. Second is cytoplasm. Now, what is cytoplasm? It is a jelly-like fluid which occupies a space between the cell membrane and the nucleus. And there are many tiny small components which are embedded, which are present in the cytoplasm, which are known as cell organelles like mitochondria, Golgi bodies, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum. These all are cell organelles. Third main component is nucleus. Now, what is nucleus? It is the control center of the cell, a spherical structure which is present in the center of the cell and which is surrounded by cytoplasm. Now, nucleus also consists of four parts. Number one is nuclear membrane. Then second is nuclear sac, which is known as nucleoplasm and nucleolus. And the fourth one is chromosomes. Nuclear membrane. It is a thin, porous membrane that separates the nucleus from the cytoplasm. And nucleoplasm is a jelly-like substance which fills up the nucleus. Inside the nucleus, there is a small spherical body which is called nucleolus. And in addition to nucleolus, what is present in the nucleus? The thread-like structures which are called chromosomes. They are also present in the nucleus. Chromosomes carry a number of genes, and these genes, they help in the inheritance of the characters from the parents to their children. So, the chromosomes and the genes, they help in the inheritance of characters from the parents to their children. And the last one is the organelles. What are these organelles? These are the small components, small structures which are present where in the cytoplasm. They include mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body or Golgi apparatus, lysosomes which are found only in animal cells, vacuoles, with plant cells having a big central vacuole, mostly absent in the animal cell, and if present, they are very small in size. Ribosomes and plastids. Plastids are only present in plant cells. So these all are organelles. So I hope you understood each and every topic properly. So it's time to say goodbye. Have a nice day. Goodbye everyone.